Welcome! If you're a chemical industry professional looking to master polymer formulation, you've come to the right place. Today, we are diving into the world of Differential Scanning Calorimetry, or DSC. Developing cutting-edge polymer formulations demands a deep understanding of thermal behavior. DSC is your secret weapon. By measuring heat flow as a function of temperature, DSC uncovers key transitions: glass transition temperature, TG, melting point, TM, crystallization, and curing reactions. These insights are crucial for optimizing formulations and ensuring product stability. Let's talk advanced techniques. Modulated DSC, or MDSC, separates reversing and non-reversing heat flows. This offers a clearer view of complex polymer blends. High-pressure DSC, or HPDSC, allows us to study oxidative stability and thermal degradation under real-world conditions. And then there's hyper-DSC, perfect for rapid transitions in high-performance materials. How does this help you? DSC assesses polymer blend compatibility, evaluates additive influence, and analyzes cross-linking kinetics for thermoset materials. It also predicts aging and long-term stability, making it a cornerstone of polymer development. Now, why should you join our training? Well, you'll gain in-depth knowledge of DSC methods from MDSC to hyper-DSC. You'll learn to optimize blends, curing profiles, and formulation stability. We'll share case studies and troubleshooting tips. Plus, you'll accelerate your R&D workflows, predict material behavior, and innovate with confidence. Who should attend? R&D chemists, formulators, new product developers, technical service managers, lab managers, and product managers in materials development. Don't miss this chance to elevate your skills. Register today and take the leap towards polymer excellence. Master DSC, transform your approach. Innovate with confidence. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now.